where you say respect, and you've got a poster on the wall that says respect, responsibility, and respect equals, there's a poster in the bathroom that says wash your hands and flush. Okay, I got it. That's what respect is. So now I leave school later on in life, and someone says, don't you know how to respect people? Well, yeah, I flush. So no one really taught me what respect was, which is to have a deep admiration for something of value to myself or to others, and to make sure I care for that and have empathy for them as if it were mine. That's how we teach respect. But because we don't teach it, we attach it to rules or the things like that. Kids miss the most important part, is what is it?
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.